going to do a video presentation about marriage. So, we have here my former teacher from grade 10, so Miss Maylene Nazaro.
Mr. Jesse Nazaro.
So, before we start, let us first have our game, ma'am and sir. So, the part 1 will be, we have prepared 6 questions for you. So, the title of the game is, How Well Do You Know Each Other? So, the first question is, how did you two meet? So, sir, you are going to write your answer here, ma'am. On question, on paper. The first question, yes, sir. So, the first question is, how did you two meet?
How? So... Dili ka.
So, mani show, ma'am.
Okay.
Red Cross, Black Red.
CAP, Red Cross Blood Level. Ayaw na ba? Alam pa
Hindi, mali. Mali ang question.
The next is, where was your first date? Where?
First day? Show home. Easy.
School.
Next is,
1 point.
when is your wedding anniversary?
No! Kami na namin.
Ako yan!
Ha? Kaya pa rin.
Si Baba.
1995, yes.
So, never lang kami ng anniversary, 30 years.
Well, correct. 22, ha? 22, correct.
Next is, when is the birthday of your firstborn child? Isa ilang year.
Okay.
Okay, tama na. Ito ang next deserve ang answer.
Ayun.
What is your wife's favorite color?
Patay mo.
Green. Pero no specific color. Anything goes.
Correct.
And
No, no.
the last, sir, ito ang next, sir. What is the favorite expression of your wife? Pwede tumalbos.
Bad words.
Chikla!
Ito yun, sir. Ano yung ma'am?
Boxing. Correct, hindi. Chiplak.
So, okay, ma'am, sir. So, let's proceed to the part of interview portion. So, first is, what is the secret of a healthy and long relationship?
Healthy long you take vitamins. Food. Patience. Patience. You're black.
4 minutes love.
Ah.
Miski naman nada. Siya na best, no? Siya na best sabi ako, pero kasi siya na amor, ang may amor. Kasi ko sa kakasa. And mga anak. Pagkagamit ng style.
So, okay, so the second question is, give at least 3 personal traits that you appreciate most about your partner.
Manata eh. Manata. Yung caring. Yung caring niya through cooking. Of course, love is love. Kasi sino yung love niya diyan is to be. Good with benefits.
And fear from God. Religious man and like one pero bad habits tumahan yung access and clear for the children and the other one is loyalty.
The third question is, would you like to share with some conflicts you had in the past as a couple? How did you overcome it?
Context mo.
Answer.
What conflict?
Minors.
There are so many conflicts. You know, marriage is really...
Spices kasi sa Elena like mo. Ako sa strengthen ka namin.
Parang siyang...
My perfect relationship. Pero as long as there is love, masking ko sa kasi conflict, kaya pa lang overcome mo.
It is not about the conflict. It is how you resolve the conflict. Because conflict will really arise in whatever situation. Parang it is nature between people. Even friends we have conflicts. In whatever relationship, friends, family, husband and wife, father, children, parents, children, there are always conflicts.
As long as you're feeling that,
It is how you resolve the conflict.
Okay, next is, how often do you say I love you to each other? How often do you say I love you to each other?
Again. Siguro, it is not my it is not my faculty
Kasi their family is not
to say it every time. Kasi my principle is very simple. Once you marry the person, you love that person, okay, that is forever. You don't have to say I love you every time to show your love. When you say it before God, I do, that's it.
Okay, next is, was there a time you almost got separated? Why?
Yes! Oh, yes.
Kaya.
Many times. But you see,
As what we've said, it's
Yeah.
spices, no? Spices with civilized. So I like to
conflicts, misunderstanding are normal in any situation. It is how you handle it, it is how you resolve it.
So next is, what are some of the things you've learned about each other over the years?
Yes! Many. Many things. For example, what have you learned?
Kasi I'm teaching values and I said, you do not put a period in your life as long as you live. You can only put a period to your life if you only die. So as long as I'm living, I'm still learning to know my husband.
So the moral lesson, do not put period, but only comma. So that the statement will continue. Yes.
So next is, what advice can you give to a newlywed couples or soon to be married?
Now, so many things. Like for example, many things. You have to learn a lot of skills. Basic skills. In every relationship, pero talaga yung skills na dapat that you will have to bring before the table. Being a husband, I have to do my part. Being a wife, being a mother, being a children. Marami kasi yan siya.
Multi-functions. You do not only play one role, functions in your life or duties and responsibilities. Both can do that part to maintain a long and lasting relationship and what you want to imprint in the minds of your children.
You should not only be singing, but sometimes you have to do.
Give it.